Hello dear students, welcome to the lecture series of Object-Oriented Programming. In this lecture, we are going to see one of the classes in C++ standard library, that is string class, with an example. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to use string class. Let us see some of the useful classes that C++ standard library provides. The first one is string. It is a character string designed to act as much as possible like the primitive data types such as integer and double. If you want to use the string from that C++ standard library, then you need to include the string header file in your program. The next classes are IOStream, IFstream and OFstream, which are buffered reading and writing of character streams. The next one is iStringStream. It permits the input from an in-memory string like an object. The next class is vector class. It creates a growable array of object of type T where T can be of any type. Let us more focus on string class provided by C++ standard library. This is the example. Here I have included the string header file because I want to use the member functions which belongs to that string class provided by the C++ standard library. Here I have str1 named as string. This is a string number 1. Now if I want to display that string using the string function, then I will simply use the statement as str1.c_str function, and this will help me to display the string on my screen. This c_str function is inherited from the C library. Next, if I want to calculate the number of characters in my string, that is the length of that string, I can simply use the size member function of that string class and it will give me the size of that string. Then, if I want to get a substring str2 of some characters of some letters, and if I want that should start from some index, then I can do that also using that substr function. For example, now here I want to have a substring as str2 from that str1 which starts at index 8 and it should be up number of characters as 6, that is length of that substring should be 6. Then I can simply use substr function to do that. Now if you apply this function on that string 1 to get that string 2, I will get the output as string, that is string. How? I will start with that index 0, then 1, then this is 2, 3, then blank space 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, and that s will be my 8th index. And the number of characters, that is length of that substring, I want as a 6. So I will start counting from here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the substring I will get as a string. And again to display that substring, I will simply use the function as c_str, which is evoked by that second string str2. Now if I want to search the first string which has the last character or the last letter as a E, then I can do that also using a simple function as find last of argument pass over here as the character argument. For that I just need to check whether such a string or substring is available in my main string or not. So for that I will write a if statement. I will check whether the index is equal to no position, that is npos, which is again the function of that string class. If it is equal, then of course I can say that the string which belongs to the which has a character E is not available in that string 1. But if the condition is false over here, now here I have used not equal to, so the condition is true, then of course I will get the string which has a last instance of a character E. Okay, and I will get the position of that respective E of that from that string 1. So here if I observe string 1, then I have a string that is 1 which has a last character E. Then I will get the position of that E and it will be printed on the screen. The way I get the uh, index position of E here, in the same way I can also get the first instance of some character by using the function as find first of. Now if I want to search the first string or the first instance of the letter N, then I can simply use from that string 1, then I can simply use the statement as str1 dot find first of, then the character it is passed as an argument, and the logic is same. If no position is not equal to index, then of course the that respective substring is available. The first instance of the character N in the string 1 will be searched and the position will be displayed. Okay, and now if I want to replace uh, some string from that main string, that is string 1, with some characters, then I can do that also. So for that I need to search, I need to find out the string first which I want to display. I want to replace that string string by xxyy. So I just need to check whether that string string is available in my main string or not. In our case, that string, that is string word, it is available in our main string. So what I will do, I will just use the function as a find to find out that string word. So now in our case it is available. Okay, after that I will use the replace function of that string class, and I will replace that the complete length, the complete string with that another string xxyy. So I will just first find out the index position first. After that the string one length will be calculated, and then the complete length will be replaced with xxyy, and after that the string will be printed. So these are the different functions which we can use from that string class, which is provided by C++ standard library. So if you observe the output, we will get the output like that. The string str1 will be, this is the string number 1. Then I have used the size function to calculate the length, and now the length of that string I will get as 27. Now I wanted to get the substring as str2 of 6 letters starting at the position 8, so that is string. And after that I wanted to find out the last instance of the character E in the string str1. So that word is 1. Okay, and I will get the position of E, so I will get the position of E as a 24. After that I wanted to know the first instance of a character N in the string str1. Now if I want to know the first instance of character N, so that is at number, okay, the first instance of that substring here, that is of character N, that is N here. So if you calculate the position, so if I start with 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, here I will get 12, 12th position. Okay, the substring is number is the here, but the first instance of N is here, so I will get the position here as a 12, which is available in the word string. I don't wanted the word, but I wanted the character, so I will get the output here, that is the 12th index, and the first instance of that character N is here at the index 12. Then I wanted to replace the string with xxyy. Okay, by mistakenly it is written here as xxxyy, but I wanted to replace with xxyy. so that string can be replaced with xxyy. Now if you observe here, the length of that string word is of 6 and here it is of 4. The xxyy is of 4. Still it will be replaced because I have calculated the length of that string word here, and the complete length will be replaced with xxyy. It is not replaced character by character. Okay, it will be replaced completely. It will be considered as the C string, and hence here, even though I have the length of that word is 6, it does not matter. Okay, it will be replaced by the uh, word which has the length as a 4. Okay, so this is how we can use the different functions of a string class provided by the C++ standard library. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Happy learning.